3, 2, 1, start. Article 329B of the Constitution of India provides that no election to either House of Parliament or to the House or either House of the Legislature of a state shall be called in question except by an election petition presented to such authority and in such manner as may be provided for by or under any law made by the appropriate legislature. The Representation of the People Act 1951, which made detailed provisions for election to the various legislatures of the country, also contains a provision, section 80, that no election shall be called in question except by an election petition presented in accordance with the provisions of the Act. The appellant, who was a candidate for election to the Legislative Assembly of the State of Madras and whose nomination paper was rejected by the returning officer, applied to the High Court of Madras under Article 226 of the Constitution for a writ of certiorari to quash the order of the returning officer rejecting his nomination paper and to direct the returning officer to include his name in the list of valid nominations to be published. Held by the full court that in view of the provisions of Article 329B of the Constitution and Section 80 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, the High Court had no jurisdiction to interfere with the order of the returning officer. The word election has by long usage in connection with the process of selection of proper representatives in democratic institutions acquired both a wide and a narrow meaning. In the narrow sense, it is used to mean the final selection of a candidate which may embarrass the result of the poll when there is polling or a particular candidate being returned unopposed when there is no poll. In the wide sense, the word is used to connote the entire process culminating in a candidate being declared elected, and it is in this wide sense that the word is used in Part 15 of the Constitution, in which Article 329B occurs. The scheme of Part 15 of the Constitution and the Representation of the People Act 1951 seems to be that any matter which has the effect of vitiating an election should be brought up only at the appropriate stage in an appropriate manner before a special tribunal and should not be brought up at an intermediate stage before any court. Under the election law, the only significance which the rejection of a nomination paper has consists in the fact that it can be used as a ground to call the election in question. Article 329B was apparently enacted to prescribe the manner in which and the stage at which this ground and other grounds which may be raised under the law to call the election in question could be urged. It follows by necessary implication from the language of this provision that those grounds cannot be urged in any other manner at any other stage and before any other court. If the grounds on which an election can be called in question could be raised at an earlier stage and errors, if any, are rectified, there will be no meaning in enacting a provision like Article 329B and in setting up a special tribunal. Stop.